The question that I get asked most from yoga students regarding self-practice is, how long do I have to stay in one pose? In this video from our incredibly detailed course, Play Pause Yoga, our Ilona is going to tell you all about how to pace your practice. So enjoy the video, guys.
So just a little tip about how fast should we go through the poses, how should you pace your practice. So it's super individual as a practice, but there's a few guidelines that the different types of yoga gives us. So for example, if you're a vinyasa practitioner, you will use your breath, and within each inhale we create a movement, and within each exhale we create another movement. So basically we have two movements in one breath, and this is basically the cues of the vinyasa sequence and the vinyasa practice. In hatha yoga, for example, we find that we can stay a longer moment in a pose and using the breath to stay in the pose, and actually using the breath to find comfort within the pose that we decide to hold, so static holds. And usually we use our exhales to come out of a pose and inhales to coming away from the body, so most probably to come in a pose depending on what you go for. Unless you go into a forward fold, for example, this will be allowed on an exhale, for example. But again, depending on how fast you want to go through your practice, use your breath. If you want to go for a vinyasa flow, focus on what you decide to work on. And another thing that you can observe within yourself is when the breath starts to become shallow or starts to become non-existent in a static hold or in a hatha yoga pose, this usually means that there's more work that can be done within this pose. Okay, it's a challenging position, and again in yoga we like to focus on the poses that are not so easy for us, because ultimately these poses are the ones that will take our practice further and bring our awareness even deeper within ourselves and open the body to become even more fluid.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you want to learn everything about over 80 different asanas, along with other content as well, we have created an amazing course called Play Pause Yoga. Click on the link below and get your free trial today. And if you haven't gotten it yet, this is the Play Pause B deck. This will help you create your own sequences and construct your own self-practice, letting you be more focused and deepen your own practice. So I will leave the link for this one also below, and I wish you a wonderful day.